Turning now to the coronavirus pandemic, the number of confirmed cases worldwide topped 47 million today, and the global death toll is more than 1.2 million. The U.S. leads the world by far in both infections and deaths, and many states are now seeing record numbers of new cases. Here's CBS's Nikki Battiste.
Americans went to the polls today in the shadow of the pandemic, a reminder of what's at stake. Anything workers and voters could touch, wiped down, and sanitized. This, as Dr. Deborah Birx, a key member of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, is warning the U.S. could see more than 100,000 new COVID-19 cases per day sometime this week. And tonight, a disturbing report on how easily the virus can spread. A CDC survey finding that over half of those living in the same household of a COVID-positive person became infected themselves within a week.
As American families consider holiday plans, what's your advice going into Thanksgiving?
My advice is to have a virtual Thanksgiving as much as possible, especially for our older and others with underlying medical conditions. We just cannot have the usual indoor celebrations.
Dr. David Rich is president of Mount Sinai Hospital, which just released a new study showing COVID-19 is 10 times deadlier than the global 2009 swine flu pandemic.
I think we're very worried that in the fall and winter, we could have another surge of cases. We could find ourselves with a very high death rate again in New York like we saw in the spring.
The director of the NIH said today if all Americans wore masks, more than 130,000 lives could be saved between now and March. Nora?
Nikki Battiste, thank you.